This video will cover an oil change for a B230F engine inside of a Volvo 240. This can be completed over lunch. Start by removing the valve cover cap. Place your oil collector under the oil pan. Loosen the drain plug. And let the oil flow into your collector. Next is to remove the oil filter. To do so on this 1990 model, I have to remove the preheater system from the exhaust manifold to gain easier access. To do this, unseat the preheater hose, remove the 4 screws connecting to the manifold, and remove the assembly. Before removing the oil filter, you may want to cover the engine mount just below to prevent it from being covered in oil. You may also need to use pliers to initially unseat the filter, but then it should easily unscrew by hand. Inspect your new oil filter and apply some oil to the gasket, and pre-fill if desired. Reset the new filter by hand and gently secure with pliers. Reassemble the preheater system. I used a new washer and a modified drain plug with a VDO sender to monitor the oil temperature. If you are using your old drain plug and washer, clean and inspect before reinstalling. Slowly fill your engine with your preferred oil at the crankcase opening. The B230F should require roughly 4 quarts of oil. Reseat the crankcase cap and take the car out for a test drive. Inspect for leaks and check the oil dipstick for a proper reading. Add more oil if needed. Then you're done. Enjoy your Volvo 240.